Hey, this is Brianna back with Wicked Warnings at your local Ford dealer. Today we worked on two brand new 2020 F-150s. We put mini light bars with a completely removable, damage-free mount. So if the owner would ever want to remove the mount and trade in the trucks, he could, and there would be no holes in the roof. Here from the back, you can see our damage-free mount and how the light bars mount to it. And if you're interested in this product, or if you would like an on-site job done before you get your trucks that you're purchasing, you can give us a call or go on our website. So, thanks for watching Wicked Warnings.